Hi everyone, welcome to Pagophilia. This time we're gonna talk about the northernmost living orcas in the world. Stay tuned. So Norway is famous for the fish-eating orcas, the orcas that's basically following the herring around when the herring comes to the coast, and then it follows it out again in the ocean. I made a vlog about that earlier, and I will put a link up for that below in the comments. This time we're gonna talk about a very special encounter. We were in north of Svalbard, and that's at 80 degrees north and 80.37 degrees north. So it's very far north, only about 1100 kilometers from the North Pole. And up there along the ice edge we also have another type of orca living. At least we think there are separate populations, and they are the mammal-eating orcas. They're following the sea ice edge, and then they are hunting for seals and other mammals, maybe minke whales and these things. We know very little about them, and actually they were discovered not very long ago. We always knew there were orcas around Svalbard, but we didn't know that these guys are kind of separate from the fish-eating orcas. So they have what we find is then at the same time as the herring-feeding orcas are along the coast of Norway, we see these mammal-feeding orcas along the ice edge in the Svalbard. Svalbard is an archipelago north of Norway, so it's very interesting. And I was on an expedition this year. It was 14th of April, and as I said, we were very far north. This is the first day of the midnight sun coming back this far north, and we had this super condition. It was minus 15, minus 16 degrees Celsius, and you have this frosty smoke on the ocean, and suddenly the two male orcas living. And this, as far as I know, this is the northernmost observation of any orca in the world, so it's pretty special. So I hope you enjoy this small, very short film and a few images I made when we were following these orcas for about, I don't know, half an hour, 1 hour. Time flies when you're having fun. So I hope you enjoy it, and see you next time. Goodbye.